possess healing power within its body system, given to him by Almighty God. By the virtue of getting married to two women, the two wives, Aino and Awele, possess the same healing power within their body system. You know, the healing power flow into them. And the first child, a boy child or a male child, also possesses the same healing power within his body system. So, the father, who later turned to the warmer water, the son, who turned to the warm water. I mean, one is warmer than the other.
Wow.
The first wife, who turned to very cold water, and the junior wife, who turned to slightly cold water. Together, they always invoke, they command water from the ground, medicinal water that already contains medicinal herbs. And when people drink from their medicinal herbs, I mean their water, they always receive healing from sicknesses and diseases. They will command very, very warm water from the ground or from rocks to represent warm or hot herbal medicine. And it was working for them like magic. They knew very well that as time goes on, they were human beings. Even if they spend thousands of years on earth, they will be dying of one after the other. They now decided that for them to retain the healing power, they must have a way of dying at the top of rocks. They decided to leave the lowland. They were living at the top of the hills surrounding this environment. They moved to the top of the hills formed with rocks. They believe that as soon as they drop dead, they will fall on top of the rock. Their healing power inside them will flow into the rocks. And so be it. They made convents. The father, the two wives, and the first son. And when it was time for the father to die, he went to the top of this mountain. He fell on a particular spot. Water that was coming out contains the healing properties, and it is the warmer water. When it was turn of the senior wife to die, she went to far away forest to the other side and fell. The water there, she was dark. The water is dark, has a dark background. She was very calm and gentle. The water is extremely cold. In Africa, when you're talking of gentle behavior, you're talking of somebody that is cold. They will say you are cold.